Hey, what is up guys, Angel Crazy Mother here. Sorry I told a lot of people that I will post some video by the end of the month last month, but I couldn't catch my schedule because I have a lot of work in school, especially midterms coming up, so I have to focus on the academic performance and schoolwork, so I kind of delay this video, but I'm glad I'm here again. This time I'm bringing you something new instead of AOSP ROM. Hopefully you guys will like this. So many people question about which one's better, stock or AOSP. Well, compared them, I don't know which one's the best, but I like the stock more. So I'm running on the Fulmics or Fulmics, and it's running on the Android version 6.0, and it's currently the 3.7 version. And this version is actually released a couple days ago. It fixed a couple minor issues, such as it crashes the OTA update a little bit. And otherwise, this ROM I think is one of the best stock ROM you can find for the LG G3 and running on Marshmallow. So the first thing, you flash this ROM, ask you a thing is called which temperature range you want your phone runs on. There's a stock temperature is below 60 Celsius. That is straight from stock, so you can't really modify your CPU or the CPU frequency that much, or you cannot enable how fast the phone you want to run. And there's a second option called stock 60 Celsius, but with minor change. That's what I'm running on right now. It does get hot, and it runs on 60 Celsius while gaming, how heavy gaming. I will show you later more on that. But otherwise, it's very smooth and it won't drop any. It does drop little tiny frames during video gameplay. So running on stock, you can get a lot of stock experience. And for multitasking, the LG G3 did provide a kind of good multitasking. You can switch apps around really fast. But one thing is, I feel the stock ROM use more RAM than the others. Of course, you're running on stock, you get all the stock UI looking stuff, and that's people don't like it. And you can actually install like launcher stuff on it to modify looking to like LG, not the LG UI, but I don't recommend that because the ROM is already eating a lot of RAM. You're running a launcher on top of it, you actually like kind of slow it down the phone, and that's why I don't like it. And actually, I do the benchmark a couple days ago for this ROM. It scores very nice. It scored like, look at this, 54,000. Can you imagine that? That's unbelievable. And it's very smooth during gaming. And let me show you what happened when I game. So the gaming experience on this phone is very nice. It's very smooth while you play this kind of like 3D game. And a lot of people questions me like why you don't use real racing 3 or other racing game to test out the performance. I choose this because this is actually a online multiplayer game. You can play with multiple people at the same time. It requires a lot of GPU to render multiple people. You look at this. You're playing this game with 16 people at the same time. So it requires the GPU more than other single player games. And let me show you more demo on this game. You see, it's very smooth. You zoom in, zoom out, and because I told you it modified the CPU a little bit while gaming, it runs on 60 Celsius, as you see in the corner right there. it runs on 60 Celsius, and it's not as hot as while I'm running on AOSP ROM, because I tweaked the CPU more. Instead, I'm running on stock like that. It's a stock ROM, of course. You can get a lot of good experience from the stock, such as a lot of people questions me how the camera performs, and it's running on the stock camera, so you get all the stock features, like all this modification you can do, but not as much as the new phone came out last year. Look at for example, the LG V10. The battery is running on stock mode. That's why it's very good. I usually get around 3 to 4 hours screen on time throughout the day, with very heavy usage, such as browsing tweeters, browse the web, play games, check email, and sometimes do homework on it. And it's pretty impressive. So far, I did not find any bugs on this stock version, and this ROM does support OTA update, so which is really nice. The update will usually release like 2 times a month. Sometimes is if it's a very important update, it will release right away, and it will notify you to actually update. And then this is a very good thing. And a lot of CM ROM, you have to actually reflash it, or 30 flash to make it update. This you don't have to. I think this is a very nice feature. So running on stock, you can't really do much tweak for it. This ROM does come with the tweaking tool you can do to tweak it your phone. For example, you can tweak the density field display. Sorry, my phone camera is out of focus a little bit. You can tweak the notification LED, the display density. You can tweak the status bar. You can add a battery bar somewhere, show battery bar, but I didn't do that. You can also show the network traffic on top of the notification, the status bar. And you can modify the navigation bar a little bit, make the navigation bar sizes a little bit smaller, like what I did right here, instead of running on a 40 dp. And you can also modify this home button position and the keyboard height as well, and the keyboard setting. And otherwise, this is a very good stock experience. I like. It's very smooth and everything runs fine. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching this video. If you dislike this video, you know what to do. Be sure to subscribe for more video coming in the future. Maybe share to a friend, whoever is still rocking with the LG G3. Whoever wants to know the difference between the AOSP and the stock experience. I will continue to post more video in the future, and hopefully see you guys in the next one soon. Peace.